Does your hair damage easily, struggle to grow or lack shine? If this is the case, using Vaseline for your hair might be the solution to any or all of these problems. Not only is Vaseline readily available, but it is also cheap. Vaseline, also referred to as petroleum jelly, has been utilized by humans for over 150 years. While originally used to protect cuts and burns or as a household lubricant, it has been found to have many other uses, especially in beauty therapy. If you have tested for Vaseline safety, then you will want to know the different ways you can use Vaseline on your hair. The effectiveness of these tricks will depend on how your hair responds, but we will be able to help you understand what you might expect. You can use Vaseline on hair that includes fixing split ends, hair growth, avoiding hair loss, hair styling, eyelashes, and lace treatment. There are several ways to use Vaseline on your hair, depending on the benefits you are looking for. While there is not much evidence that you will get noticeable result, there is not much risk in trying either. Make sure to do a patch test first if you have never used Vaseline before. This involves applying a small amount to an inconspicuous area of skin and watching the area for many signs of irritation or any allergic reaction for 24 hours. In order to grow your hair, try putting a tiny amount of Vaseline on your finger. Aim for no bigger than the size of a pea. Gently massage it into the scalp. Do this process once for a week. You can also try applying a small amount onto the ends of your hair each day to potentially prevent breakage. Some people swear by Vaseline hair mask for healthier looking looks. You can try applying Vaseline and leaving on overnight or for just a few hours. Alternatively, you can try applying Vaseline over your favorite moisturizing hair mask too. Vaseline's protective properties may help to lock in moisture from the treatment. If opting for an overnight mask, don't forget to cover your head with something like a shower cap to avoid staining your shades. If you want, you can also mix coconut oil or aloe vera gel with petroleum jelly and gently massage your scalp using the mixture. There is one important thing to remember: how to remove it from your hair. Vaseline is incredibly difficult to get out of hair, especially if you use too much of it. When you do want to remove it from your hair, shampoo is your best bet. You may need to wash your hair with warm water several times to get rid of the greasy feeling. If your usual shampoo formula does not seem to be having much effect, try adding a teaspoon of baking soda just to remove Vaseline jelly from your hair.